Something very unexpected occurred today. A staggering 2.8 trillion Shiba Inu was just transferred to an unidentified wallet by an unidentified whale. But you must be aware of something more significant. The community was alarmed by a huge problem in the cryptocurrency area that was disclosed today. Additionally, this error caused everything to go to zero. In an instant, billions of dollars were lost. What does all of this mean? And how is this related to Blackrock? Will Shiba Inu go vanish? Or is this something else? What am I even talking about anyway? Let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Today, unexpected events have been happening in the Shiba Inu community. The wallet behind the astounding 2.8 trillion Shiba Inu coins that were just transferred is still unknown. This huge movement was promptly noticed by well-known cryptocurrency monitoring firm WhaleAlert, which reported it for public viewing. An astounding 2.88 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were taken out of the Turkish market and transferred to an unidentified wallet as part of the transaction. It was valued at an astounding $65 million when it was logged yesterday. The Shiba Inu community, of course, took note of this kind of movement. Fans of Shiba Inu had a lot to say about it, as you would guess. Investors were quite interested in the deal, wondering who may be involved, and more interestingly, why so many Shiba Inu were relocated. Some people choose to hide their Shiba Inu in a secret wallet, away from exchanges, since they thought that a crypto whale may be getting ready for a possible price increase. Here's the twist, however. The price of Shiba Inu tokens isn't looking very fantastic, despite this enormous movement. Investors are baffled since it has been falling lower rather than rising. According to analysts, Shiba Inu's most recent recovery effort struck a significant snag. The price was unable to overcome a crucial degree of resistance. This is significant because it draws attention to the difficult situation Shiba Inu are in. The market doesn't seem to be persuaded, despite all the excitement around large deals like the one we just saw. For Shiba Inu fans, it's a time for introspection as they traverse a market where enthusiasm isn't enough to drive up prices. Given this, one may wonder why Shiba Inu prices continue to decline. Everyone is asking the same huge question. You would imagine that such large fluctuations would cause prices to surge. It's not that easy, however. It ultimately boils down to Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency's mother. The market as a whole becomes sick whenever Bitcoin sneezes. Today was no different. As it happens, Bitcoin had a huge and unflattering fall earlier. Bitcoin plummeted from about 99,000 to less than 96,000 in a matter of hours. The whole cryptocurrency market was rocked by the swift and severe decline. In a tweet, one Twitter user summed it nicely. They drew attention to Bitcoin's startling decline from just under 100,000 to about 95,500, a massive shift in such a short period of time. Everyone in the crypto community is extremely perplexed by this abrupt drop. Bitcoin was on fire only a few days ago, rising like there was no tomorrow and reaching new all-time highs almost every day. Everyone was thrilled about it until today, when the huge decline caused uncertainty. What precisely transpired then? It turns out that a malfunction created the whole catastrophe. Yes, everything was thrown off by a market glitch of some kind. The price stability of Bitcoin suffered in what seemed to be a hasty response to negative data. It all began, according to reports, when TradingView showed fictitious Bitcoin dominance numbers. Although the harm was already done, the mistake caused Bitcoin's dominance in the cryptocurrency market to plummet to zero, which isn't even feasible. The market responded as panic spread. During the relatively quiet Christmas trading period, the price of Bitcoin fell by around 4%, reaching the $0 area in the mid-90s. Chatter erupted on social media as many pointed out the peculiarity. People panicked when trader Satoshi Flipper reported about a TradingView problem involving Bitcoin domination. Nowadays, people are dumping over TradingView, and to be honest, it seems crazy. The consequences weren't pleasant. Within 4 hours, almost $33 million worth of long Bitcoin bets were liquidated, according to monitoring websites like CoinGlass. The pandemonium was exacerbated by the sell-off, which was accelerated by the bewilderment and fear. As Bitcoin reached new heights, its dominance, an issue that traders have been discussing a lot lately, had been gradually increasing. Dominance reached 61.5% only last month, raising expectations for a potential cryptocurrency rally or alt season. This leads us to believe that cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu ought to have seen a surge. Altcoins often have a chance to shine when Bitcoin's supremacy falters. Shiba Inu, however, did not move at all. Isn't it strange? Everyone is curious as to what is really happening in this situation. Some are even speculating about possible manipulation of the market. Is there more to this than a glitch? One person on Twitter said, Bitcoin's dominance on TradingView collapses to zero. Given that dominance has now regained to 58.97%, it seems to have been a brief decline. Price manipulation or a glitch? What are your thoughts? The peculiarity of the circumstance is emphasized in the tweet. Did someone behind the scenes press the market buttons to induce havoc, or was it simply a random error? When combined with Shiba Inu's inaction, the timing of this oddity seems too odd to overlook. Why didn't cryptocurrencies take off like they usually do if it was just a glitch? And what's the motivation if it's manipulation? It's obvious that this isn't your normal market day, regardless of the response. In any case, both retail and institutional traders were severely impacted by this whole debacle. Even the major players were hurt by the enormous knock-on consequences. According to reports, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF suffered a massive loss of an astounding $1.52 billion in only 4 days. That is a significant difference. Even for BlackRock, a titan. There were significant upheavals in the cryptocurrency ETF market on Christmas Eve. Due to its largest ever single-day outflow, BlackRock's eShares Bitcoin Trust ETF grabbed news for all the wrong reasons. In a second, $188.7 million was gone. That surpasses its previous record, which was established just a few days ago. The crypto market is seeing a dramatic change of events. The Shiba Inu community is feeling a bit concerned as a result of all of this commotion, the Bitcoin meltdown, the ETF withdrawals, and the odd Shiba Inu pricing behavior. It's simple to sense that something is amiss when Shiba Inu's price remains stagnant while the rest of the market responds to these hiccups and changes. The problem is that this price drop may not be as severe as it first seems. A Twitter expert claims that Shiba Inu may undergo a radical makeover in the next 3 months. According to the researcher, cryptocurrencies, especially Shiba Inu, will see a period of steady, astounding rises. The opportunity to see the massive rallies and transformative returns that first made Shiba Inu famous might be the long-awaited reversal if they are correct. Therefore, even if the current price movement seems like a setback, it might well be the beginning of something very remarkable. It all comes down to patience and monitoring the long-term possibilities for Shiba Inu owners. The type of enthusiasm that might make today's plunge seem like a passing fad could arrive in the coming months. The same expert really went farther than that. They dissected the technical analysis and highlighted something really intriguing in a different tweet. Their charts indicate that a strong buy signal for cryptocurrencies is developing. When traders think a significant upward move is imminent, they search for a setup like this. Therefore, we may presumably consider this to be a temporary setback if the actual cause of the pandemonium is this problem. Most likely, things will get better shortly. Shiba Inu have a lot to look forward to as a result. Actually, this may be the quiet before the exciting things begin to happen. In addition, the Shiba Inu Society is exciting. Has a lot of exciting stuff in store. Shidoshi Kusama and the development team are working diligently to maintain the community's enthusiasm and engagement. They have been hinting at some potential future ventures, and Shiba Inu owners are quite excited about them. Recently, Kusama himself alluded to several significant upcoming projects. He made a suggestion that a far larger checklist than the one we now have would be required by the Shiba Inu community. with the potential for further collaborations, creativity, and new projects that might really propel Shiba Inu to the next level. His remarks have generated a lot of attention. By 2025, some of these projects may potentially be prepared for public release. Therefore, even if the price is now declining, the future seems to be anything but drab. Since the development team seems to have some ambitious goals in the works, now is the time to remain optimistic. However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.